Good morning, America. All right. Yesterday, decent day. We got down, we got down a little bit nasty, a mini nasty, for a quick second. Rebounded right back, so I finished out flat. To be expected. We're in a little bit of a resistance zone here. Like we're saying, a 1175 is just a resistance zone. These things don't just break on the first try. So we're still rocking and rolling. We're still good to go. We'll see what happens today. We got options expiration week coming up too, and so things are going to be hopping for a little while. Um, but hey, that's the way it goes. Oil still flatlining a little bit. Which is good. It needed a break. I mean, we don't even want to see oil at $90, man. $85, $80. Market stays strong. We're good to go. The good thing is, even though oil's been flatlining, I know a lot of you guys are holding this and it's cruising around. Keep an eye on this resistance level of 8. I would expect some shorters to come in here at some point. It's very hard to short something that's gone straight up, but they will. Remember these parabolic short guys. I mean, you don't you just don't want to see something go straight up. I'd really prefer to see actually a pullback. I'd like to see some of you guys probably lighten up a little bit around 8 and have a pullback, rebuy around 7. But hey, you can't fight the Momo. Why even try? Um, let's just check out the Russell real quick. Uncle Russell, same move, straight up. He was chilling yesterday. Um, we're still good. I guess there was a little bit more selling yesterday than I'd prefer. You don't want to see more selling on the down day than the up day. But the market was flat. So you know what? If the market, this red bar would actually mean nothing, because say the market finished up 5 pennies more, right, or 6 pennies more than then this would be a big green bar. Then we'd be thinking it's accumulation. So use everything in context, right? Just because we see a red bar here doesn't necessarily mean more selling, because it was actually a flat day. Cool. Let's take a look at some stocks here. We're gonna keep the list short, man. We still got, there's things that are hopping around all over the place. Keep an eye on Fuki. It looks like it's gonna break out here. Probably over 8 is the number. ENTG. This one, tech is getting hot again. Let's keep an eye on this one. I think probably over 5. We're rocking and rolling. It did close over 5. We might be able to take a position on this in strength. Boston Scientific. Um, this stock, it's cruising, man. It's cruising. It's broke out. It's flagging. What we want to do is probably see a break of strength. 625 is the number that I can see. 625 gives us a go. Omex. Let's keep an eye on this. This thing is ready to break out here. We got breakout, and it's coiling up the side. So you got support pushing it. This thing's ready to cut loose. Only break on highs though. Hot topic. Um, let's look at this thing. We want to buy this thing on strength. It's probably going to be a break of 625 or so. And then we put a stop under this 200-day moving average, and we'd be rocking and rolling. SPU, watch this thing over 5, man. It's a low float. It's a China play. It hasn't really moved as much as the rest of it. This thing, a break could send it right to 550. HPJ, battery stock. Keep an eye on the tech stocks, the battery stocks. If the battery stocks are going, we want in on a break over 4. GU, break over 10. Big breakout, low volume pullback, but it didn't really pull back. Let's see if this thing knocks out 10. 110, and I think, well, we're ready to go on this bad boy. ZSTN, simple break over 200-day moving average. Chinese stock, communication equipment sector. Check out some of these stocks, man, in the communication equipment sector, and tell me we don't need to be in this thing. Coney, just nasty move. Kington Wireless, ANTP, nasty move. We're seeing these nasty moves in this communication equipment sector. If anybody's got a play in this, let's find it. I'll do the research. I just need some tickers, and I think we're going to be good to go. Let's play tight. Let's play cool.